Today we're here to talk about what not to do before buying a home. Hi everybody, it's EricHarris, your veteran realtor of Harris Homes with Keller Williams San Diego Metro. And today we're here to talk about what not to do before buying a home. So there's a lot of mistakes out there, a lot of myths. We're going to break that all down right now. So the first thing you don't want to do is to focus on the house price. Why? Because you live your life monthly and your budget is the most important thing. You could buy a house that's $500,000 in Chula Vista or Spring Valley and the monthly payment will be different because things like HOA and Melrose tie into that. To learn more about that, we'll talk to your lender when it's time to buy. Next, stop trying to fix your credit by yourself. Your lender will let you know the things that you can do to help improve your ability to buy a home. So what they do is they go over your credit, they go over what is the reason you're not being approved, and therefore the no can be turned into a yes. So hearing no is not a bad thing. I know a lot of people are scared of, I won't be able to buy, but talking to a lender lets you know what you need to do to fix and get approved. Next, don't be scared to run your credit. You just don't want to run it too much. So I recommend running it at least 3 times. The creditors understand that, hey, who's running your credit, they know who's running it, and they understand why you're running it. In the link below, you'll find an article by Credit Karma that helps you understand better why it's okay to run your credit with creditors. While your credit score will go down a little bit, it'll also go back up. Next, you want to make sure that you're not buying anything. Your debt to income ratio is very important when trying to get approved for a loan. Now, if you're buying a home, you don't want to go buy a brand new car. You don't want to go buy appliances. When you're in escrow, you definitely don't want to go buy any of these things. And you don't want to run your credit as far as trying to get new credit cards when you're in the process of trying to get approved for a loan. Your debt to income ratio is way more important than anything else because it lets the lenders understand how much you're spending each month, therefore how much you can afford on a house each month. Another thing, after you get approved and everything, never go to a new build without your realtor. Why? Because once you go, we're not allowed to help you through your transaction. And you really want someone there to help you ask the right questions to get you more savings because the representative there is there to save the seller money, not the buyer. So while they will help you out and do all the right things, it's better to have your realtor representing you, therefore we can be there for you and not the other person. Another thing everybody likes to do is they like to go on Zillow, and Zillow tells you estimates of how much your monthly payment would be. That's actually wrong. A lot of times people don't click on the actual payment to understand that it's actually if you put down 20% of the purchase price of why this $500,000 house is now only $1,700 a month. That's not realistic. Make sure you go talk to a lender so you can understand that. Also, the Zillow estimate, understanding the value property of a house. Zillow is not inside of the house looking at the house. Therefore, what you really would need was a micro market analysis is what we call it, where the realtor can break down what's going on in the house, the other houses that they're being comped against, and how this house has old floorings, old carpet, but your house has new carpet, new floorings, and why it's priced higher. Zillow estimates can't do that. Stay off of Zillow, talk to a realtor, talk to your lender. Get the right information. If you want any more tips like this, please click the link below for the guide and we'll email it to you. If you have any more questions, please let me know. If not, have a great day. Talk to you soon.